I don't know. I've seen that type of equipment before. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. It looks heavy. So, yeah. So big tires. Container. There's a container. What do you know? Ha ha! I found you. I got it. I got this. Alright. Whoa. Slow it down, truck. A little bumpy. A little bumpy. Alright. Now I just gotta confirm. I believe. Ooh, wait a minute. Hold on a second. Is that a night chassis? There's two of them. Yes! All right. This is what we're gonna do. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by his toe. If it hogs, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Let's get out. Look, I'm gonna get out and check the tires and check all that stuff. Let's see. We'll make a decision that way. That looks good. Sorry, I got a bad habit of shining the camera down this way. Y'all guys can't see what I'm looking at. Alright. There. Alright. Oh, that looks good. Ooh, what is that? Thanks. Alright. She's looking good. Alright. Well, let me check this side. Looking good. Should I take this one? I don't know. Right. Let's go over here. Let's check this other one. Oh, November. Okay. All right. That looks good. Oh wow! You got water. Oh, I didn't come prepared for that. We're not doing that. No, thank you. I'm good. Decision has been made. The decision has been made. By the way, I didn't feel like wearing my ball cap today, so I wore my most Western hat I got. It's absolutely not a Western hat. Or I'm sorry, it's not a cowboy hat, but it works. It gets the job done. So, I got this when I was in Alaska. I like it. I was in the shop. I forget what the shop was called, but anyway, went in the shop and the lady in the store. I don't think she worked there actually. Anyway, she's like, "That hat looks really good on you." I was like, "Girl, I know." I know. So, anyways, one day I'll get a real cowboy hat, but for now, yeah. I'm sporting this today. Just wasn't sporting my ball cap. So, or my my trucker hat. Sorry, it's not a ball cap. It's a trucker hat. It's a trucker hat. Anyways, let's get this trailer and let's get going. All right, y'all watch my mud flaps. Don't let them break off. Make sure the other pin is zip tied. So it's got a zip tie on there, but I'm gonna put another one on there because I don't like the way that one's done. Some of these chassis have got good lockdowns for the pins. Some of them they ain't worth the crap. let's get back in the truck. Let's get going, y'all. Alright, let's rock and roll. Let's get out of here. Hop out and close his other door. As soon as she's done writing numbers. All right, thank you. Pull out the way right here. Right back, guys. Here's y'all's verse of the day. Happy is the person who trusts in him. Psalms 34:8. So this fella, so I didn't catch it earlier, but this fella here ran off to, see that black line? He went off that way with a bobcat on the back, and had a little situation. Bless his heart. So anyway, we're going this way, and we're going back to the port. I didn't catch it on the way I was coming in, but I was just like, dude, you got problems. So this is something I've kind of been thinking about, and I don't know if I'm going to do it or not. I don't know if there's a market for it. Well, let me rephrase. I know there's a strong enough market for it in my area or not, but I've had several people now over the years ask me about taking lessons, riding horses and stuff, and I've always had an excuse why I couldn't do it, blah 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 blah. And I was shopping the other day on Marketplace, and I found a couple of goosenecks that I had the money to go buy. So it won't be long. I know I've been saying it now for like a long time, like, oh, I'm gonna get a horse trailer, gonna get a horse trailer, gonna get a horse trailer, and everybody's like, when Christy, when you gonna do it? And I'm like, I'm telling you, it's gonna be very soon, very very soon, especially as soon as I get my truck sold, because your girl found a truck the other day that I think would have been a good match. But anyways, I want to get my truck sold first. I feel like I would be really good at that, because I was sitting there and I was kind of observing how those ladies ran their business when Rachel and I went up there and rode horses on the beach. I was sitting there, I didn't say that on the camera at the time, but I was sitting there thinking, I could totally do this. I can totally do this. I can see me doing this, not a problem at all. And I rode horses on the beach before on the West Coast, and that was fun. I gotta do a little bit more research in the legalities of it, and kind of get all of that situated instead of just diving right in. I'm trying to do better research, because I've done that before. I've tried to start other businesses, get into it, and I'm like, oh crap, there's not a market for this. What? You're kidding me, right? no way. So, but yeah, I don't know. You may see some videos of that, you know, in 24. I don't think that'll happen anytime in 23. So, yeah, just a thought for now. So the only thing is, if I was to start a business like that, I would obviously have to get horses, which I'm totally okay with. But I need to make money. I don't want to just get more horses and I ain't making no money. That can get expensive real fast. So, anyways, I don't know. I'm trying to think ahead in the future. I'm thinking, you know, I'm trying to figure out how to realistically go about. That looks like a place. I'm trying to find ways of realistically being able to exit the trucking industry. Somebody's calling. I don't know who it is. I'm sorry. I'll have to call you back. I don't know who you are. I know it would take some time to kind of build my reputation, build the business, build clients, like all that goes into building a business. So, I don't know. I think it would be kind of fun. I don't think there's really a whole lot of people in my area doing that. So, might be able to find a little niche in the market. I don't know. But if it works out, that would actually go along really well with what I kind of want to go do anyways, and that is have my own pickup, my own horse trailer, and travel all over America. Still doing travel vlogs, but like not in a big rig. Going to rodeos, going to other horse shows, like all the things with horses, because that's really where I'd like to be. I would say it's probably across the board when you're starting out anyways. It's hard making money, you know, being able to go do things that you want to go do, you know. There's a lot of people who they like their horses and they can't make any money with them, so and then there's people who have horses and they make a lot of money with them. So it's all in, you know, what you do and your niche in the market and all that kind of stuff, you know. So I don't know. I figured I'll take a swing at it, see how it goes. Probably will have to put some money up to live off of so that I can have time to build that business, because it's not going to be, you know, a steady paycheck probably overnight, you know. But like, it take a little time. You don't just walk up in here and say, I like horses, I'm gonna make me some money. So yeah, it's just I'm looking forward to whatever 2024 brings. So maybe I can do that alongside the business that Mom and I want to do. So I think we would have already had that going, but Mom got hurt, so we had to put a little pause and a pause button on that. So who knows, we'll see. So anyways, okay, I'm done talking. We're gonna get back to the road. I've been telling Mom now for the past several weeks. I was like, I said, when my channel reaches 1,000 subscribers, I said, we really should like throw a party together just to celebrate, you know. I said, because I will have reached a huge milestone. So yeah, be on the lookout for that, you know. When we reach 1,000 subscribers, we're going somewhere. It'll be a little small party, and yeah, we'll celebrate, because that'll be a new milestone. So yeah, I'm excited. So we're a little over 600 of y'all now. So I was like, yes. for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye! Dude, he even got the pipes on the top strapped down. Dude! He's only got 2 of them strapped down. It's crazy. Wow. Okay. Yeah, this dude, he even got one on the top strap. Okay. Alright. I ain't no expert. That would worry me. But okay. He look like he know what he doing, so whatever.